Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon, my dear students, grade 4. Today we are going to take English time, Unit 12, Lesson 3 and 4. Lesson 3 and 4, the last two lessons in our English time, okay? Now, let's take a new grammar. Let's take a new grammar. The past simple. The past simple. First, who can tell me what is the past simple? What is the past simple? The past simple is an action that happened in the past. An action that happened in the past and finished. Okay? Now let's take the form for the past simple. The past simple is divided into regular or irregular verbs. Divided into regular or irregular verbs. What's the difference between regular and irregular? For example, regular verbs, in regular verbs we add ed or ied or d. Again, in regular verbs we add ed, ied or d. Let's take the difference between them. When we add ed, ied, and d, we add ed with some verbs like, for example, watch. In watch, we add ed. Another verb like finish. In finish, we add also ed directly, okay? So we have some verbs that we add ed directly, okay? When we add IED, look at IED. When we add IED, for example, the verb like study, look at study here. When the verb ends with Y, and before it a consonant, it change Y into IED. Again, what's the difference between consonant and vowels? You know vowels, we have 5 vowels in English language. A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 vowels only in English language. A, E, I, O, U, okay? Consonant, what's consonant? All letters except 5 vowels are consonant, okay? So look here at the verb. The verb ends with Y and before it a vowel or a consonant. Yeah, D is a consonant, not a vowel. So change Y into I-E-D. Look at the verb play. Look at the verb play. Look at Y and before it here, a vowel or consonant. Yeah, Y before it a vowel. Before it a vowel. So don't change here Y and put ED directly. Don't change Y and put ED directly. For example, play, played. So the difference here between study and play, study Y before it a consonant, change Y into IED. So the word will be studied, okay? Play, change Y, don't change Y here because Y before it a vowel, okay? Play, played. Understand now? Okay, let's take an example. When I say he studied English. Okay, this sentence in the past simple now. Okay, now let's take how to make a question. We have 2 kinds of questions. WH question and yes no question. Let's take first yes no question. When you want to make yes no question, look at the verb directly. Look at the verb. The verb in the past simple. So you ask whether, did. When the verb is in the past simple, ask with did. After you ask with did, put the sentence same. Did he? And change, don't forget to change the verb from past to infinitive. Change the verb into infinitive. So did he study? Okay, and with English, same. Understand now? This is yes no question. Who can answer this question? When the question starts with did, the answer will be yes or no. Yes. After yes. Okay. Yes, and change. Did he change? He did. Yes, he did. Easy. The answer was no. No, he didn't. Change did into didn't. Easy? Do you understand it? Okay. Another example, when I say they ate the food. Okay. Look at this sentence. Here I want to make WH question. I want to make WH question. When you want to make WH question, look at the object after the verb. Look at the object here. Okay? Look at the object. Is it a place? No. Is it a time? No. Is it a thing? Yeah, food is a thing. So we ask with, we ask with what? Yeah, very good. You ask with what? After you ask with what, look at the verb. Yeah, the verb is in the past simple. So we ask with did. Yes, we ask with did. What did? And complete the sentence from first. What did they eat? Easy. And change the verb into infinitive. What did they eat? So now here we have two kinds of question. Yes, no question and WH question. Here is the WH question. Understand? Okay. Here look at irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. And irregular verbs don't change. We change the verb. We should keep them. For example, when I give you مثلا the verb like eat. Look here. For example, eat. Change the verb. The past from eat, ate. Okay? The past from eat, ate. We should keep these words. We should keep them in your mind. Okay? Another word, when I give you a verb like speak. The past from speak, spoke. Okay? You should keep these words. Okay, understand? Okay. Now I want you to make how to make negative. I want to give you example how to make negative in the past simple. For example, when I give you an example, okay, when I say she spoke English. Okay, we want here to make negative. Look at the verb. The verb spoke in the past simple. So when we want to make negative, we use didn't before the verb. We use what? Didn't before the verb. The verb spoke, okay? And after you put didn't, change the verb into infinitive. Change the verb into infinitive. So she didn't speak. Speak. And put English. And put English. Again, when you want to make negative from this sentence, look at the verb. If the verb is in the past simple, we use didn't before the verb. She didn't, and change spoke into speak, infinitive. Change it infinitive. Speak English. Okay? Now we have some keywords that come with the past simple. We have some keywords that comes with the past simple. Keywords. What's keywords? Like yesterday. Okay. Last, for example, last week, or last month, or last year. Okay? The last word, ago. The last word, ago. We have keywords, some keywords, yesterday, last week, and ago. Ago like 3 days ago, 2 weeks ago, and so on. Okay, understand?